Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2018 Soul. Trim level is EX. Car is a beautiful blue color. Comes with roof rails, aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirrors, and other options that we're going to talk about. Take a look across the front of the car and down the driver's side. Inside the car we have power windows, locks, and mirrors, traction control, a heated steering wheel, instrument cluster lights, and some mood lighting, which I will demonstrate. Little Soul only has 26,416 kilometers. On the steering wheel, audio and cruise controls, plus Bluetooth and other functions for the car. Inside we have Sirius XM radio. There's a 3-month trial of Sirius XM included with the car. Absolutely no cost to you. We have a backup camera. Down below we have our climate control center and our heated cloth seats. Down below that some auxiliary and USB input ports for the radio and some 12-volt charging ports. Push button start and automatic transmission. Those cloth seats are done up in black and gray. The driver's seat is height adjustable. Opening the back seat up, we have 2 more cloth seats back here. That back part of the seat folds down. It's a 60-40 split, so you can put down the larger side or the smaller side, depending on what you're carrying. Other than that, it's a great place for passengers. Some EX badging there. In the rear of the car, plenty of room for cargo back here. Carry suitcases, groceries, some sports gear, some outdoor gear. The Soul is made to carry a lot of stuff and have a lot of fun. If you fold those seats down, as I just mentioned, you can carry even more stuff. Those roof rails up on top, you can attach the crossbars, put one of those boxes up there and carry some ski gear or anything else you need to carry. This little 2018 Kia Soul is available from West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 on Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 on Sundays and most holidays. Bring the family down. See how well this Soul will fit into your lifestyle. See how well your family fits into the Soul. Remember that to make an informed decision about any car you're considering, it's always best to drive the car. See how well it'll work for you. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge.